Hey guys, this is the Redmi 12 and you would swear that this is the Tecno Spark 10 Pro or the Infinix Hot 30. Redmi only changed the plastic back that Tecno and Infinix offered, which is not bad, but it's very glossy and attracts a lot of fingerprints and you need to wipe it over and over again to keep it clean. Spec wise, it offers basically the same spec the Tecno Spark 10 Pro or the Infinix, and it costs the same amount, which is 105,000 naira, which is approximately $130. We would have called it a wrap here, but for the sake of learning, let's explore more about the new Redmi 12. Guys, let's roll! Coming up first is the design, which is one of the most significant and notable things on the Redmi 12. The back panel came with a glass that gives it a modern and premium feel. The sides are still made of plastic, and to the front, we get with a large 6.79-inch screen size with a punch hole for the 8-megapixel selfie camera. The display on the screen is a mess and colors are well presented, making watching on videos, gaming and general screen time enjoyable. At least not so bad for a phone that comes at 1080p resolution. Even with all of this, the device still managed to weigh about 200 grams, which is not too bad at all, and can be comfortably held in one hand. To the right house is the volume key and the power button, which automatically serves as the fingerprint scanner and does the job of locking and unlocking the device so well. The speaker grill, USB Type-C port and the microphone sits below. Talking about the speaker, the Redmi 12 speaker is not that giving, as it comes with a mono speaker just like the Tecno Spark 10 Pro, so I won't really fault it that much. And at the top we have an IR blaster, which comes in very handy at controlling most of your home appliances, and so that's an edge over the Tecno Spark 10 Pro. Next to it is a 3.5mm headphone jack, which I personally feel is an old-fashioned and shouldn't have come in. And finally to the back, it is triple ring that houses 3 individual cameras and a flashlight. Come to think of it, there was no Redmi 11 last year. Yes, that's so true. Why? Maybe it's because of some reasons best known to them. But let's leave that aside. As we have the Redmi 12 here, let's continue. Performance on the Redmi 12 isn't that bad at all. And if you're using the Tecno Spark 10 Pro or even the Infinix Hot 30, performance are quite similar apart from the user interface, and the Redmi 12 offers a MIUI custom skin. It comes with the Helio G88 processor, which is a mid-range processor, a 8GB of RAM that can be expanded to 16GB of RAM through memory expansion, and also a 128GB of internal storage for the best version. There are still options like the 8GB of RAM and the 256GB of internal storage, but all of this depends on your budget. It also comes with 113 out of the box with Redmi custom skin MIUI 14. The MIUI interface is very friendly and easy to navigate around, but Blu-rays are always present since it is not stock 100. Multitasking and other day-to-day activities came out great with little or no noticeable lag. Heavy games like Call of Duty Mobile or even PUBG wasn't that great, but at low graphics you can enjoy your gameplay very well. While light games like the 3GB games came out very smooth and enjoyable. The camera department gave us a 50-megapixel main camera, 8-megapixel ultra wide and 2-megapixel macro. For selfie, we've got a 8-megapixel selfie shooter. Images taken from the Redmi 12 came out very competitive, but not too competitive to beat that of the Tecno Spark 10 Pro. And for videos, they shoot in 1080p at 30fps. So guys, what do you think about the image quality of the Redmi 12? Please share your thoughts in the comment section below. Redmi also gave us a large 5000 mAh battery capacity, and the battery is very reliable and can last the whole day if you're a light user. But for heavy users, you need to charge the device back to 100% with the provided 18W charger after a day use. It takes approximately 1 hour 15 minutes to charge the device from 0 to 100, which is not too bad a time to sacrifice before getting back at using your device. So in conclusion, I know many of you will be asking this question, that between the Redmi 12 and the Tecno Spark 10 Pro, which should you buy? I will say that the Redmi 12 is a direct clone of the Tecno Spark 10 Pro with Jara beautification. And if you're out there and want to buy any of these two devices, you are very free to get anyone, as one has only little advantage over the other. So if you are yet to see my review on the Tecno Spark 10 Pro or the Infinix Hot 30, there will be a link here and also at the end of this video so that I can share in that information. With that being said, guys, this is my own review on the Redmi 12. Please do drop your thoughts in the comment section so that I can debate on it. And also, if you enjoyed this video, do give it a like, and a sub to this channel will be so much appreciated. Till next time, bye and bye.